What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm gonna talk about my TCL TV experience because I got this TV about, a few months ago. TCL sent it to me. And one night, it was working fine, right? The next morning I wake up, I go to turn the TV on, it would not turn on. And I troubleshooted it like a madman, like everything that you should do to a TV to see if it was, your fault or is the TV actually broken. For everything from, unplugging it using different plugs, getting rid of the power that's coming into the TV by holding down the power button while it's unplugged, trying different plugs, everything. I'm gonna make a video on how you can troubleshoot, if your TV won't turn on. So I tried all of that, it didn't work. So what I had to do is I end up having to call TCL, called the 800 number, talked to them, super nice people. They took the serial number and I called the 800 number that was on the back of the TV. So if you have a TCL TV, look on the back of the TV, you should see something on there that has your serial number as well as the support number to call. When I spoke to them, very, very nice. They said, hey, it's gonna be about 2 weeks we have to order the parts and then we have to get someone out to you, so it'll take about 2 weeks. So this was last week. And literally, today's Thursday at the time I'm making this video, they already called me back yesterday. The repairman is like, hey, can I come out tomorrow, which is today, Thursday? He's like, I have the parts, I'm ready to fix it. Came out today, fixed it within 15 minutes and it was done. Completely free, obviously, because it was under warranty. You get a 1-year warranty with a TCL TV, unless you purchase an extended warranty. But that was it. He came over, took the back panel off from the TV, we laid it down. And what we did from there is, well, he really did. I didn't do anything except help him carry the TV. We placed it on its face. He took the back panel off, looked at it. They gave him the repair kit unit, which was a new motherboard, a new, I think, like graphics card, a new power unit, new motherboard, all of that. So what he did is he took out the power supply unit, replaced it with a new one. We checked it to see if it worked. The TV turned on at that point. So that's all we had to do. We didn't have to replace anything else. I could have pushed for it, but I was like, you know what? It seems fine. That was the only thing that was broken anyway. The TV, other than that, was amazingly good. And everything's great. So I think what I wanted to do is just give you my experience on dealing with TCL's repair team, because it was honestly super smooth and super fast and free because, again, I was under that 1-year warranty. Now, I will admit, kind of a pain in the butt that it broke 2-3 months down the line, but I've never had that problem with a TCL TV before. I have another TCL TV that I've had for ages, I think like 2 years at this point. And I've never had a problem with it. Works great, which I don't know if you'd call 2 years ages, but for me, since I get a lot of new technology all the time, that was pretty good. So I'm very happy with how quick it took, how friendly the service was. I mean, they do outsource their people. It's not like TCL coming to my house, but it's someone they hired. It was very nice, got it fixed quick. And as you can see, everything is working beautifully at this point. No problems with it. It turns on and off. I can use it to watch my television stuff again, and I'm just super happy that everything works at this point. So the main story is, if you break your TV, you have a TCL TV, their support was great on the phone. They got out here really, really quick and fixed it really quick. So I'm happy with it. And that's been my experience with TCL's TV unit with getting things fixed. Let me know about you guys. Have you had a TV broken? If it was, which company was it? Was the experience good? If you also had a TCL TV broke, let us know. What was the issue? Did they fix it? And how good was the service? Because I'm completely happy with it. Very, very happy with it. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.